In this video, we'll show you how to terminate 100-184 FTP screen-shuttered low-profile keystone jack with Excel's Category 6A S FTP cable. You'll need a peg-style cable stripper and multi-purpose side cutters. Strip about 40mm off the cable jacket using the cable stripper. Score the sheath, bend the cable to break it, and remove the jacket. Use the multi-purpose side cutters to remove the excess ripcord, then slide the braid down the foil and trim the strands. Snip and remove the foil from the pairs with the side cutters. Be careful not to cut the drain wire. Unwrap the foil and remove from the individual pairs of cable. Insert the cable through the termination cap, then untwist and fan out the pairs. Following the colour code on the cap, insert the wires into their designated slots. Double check that the wires are in the correct position, then trim the excess. Wrap the drain wire 360 degrees around the base of the cap and trim any excess. Position the cap on the keystone IDCs, ensuring correct orientation. Push down the cap and close the wings, using pliers if needed.